Having trouble with AirPlay on your Element Xumo TV? These troubleshooting steps will help you get your iPhone or iPad connected and mirroring properly. Step 1. Ensure both your Apple device and Xumo TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is the most common cause of AirPlay connection issues. Step 2. On your Xumo TV, navigate to Settings, then AirPlay and HomeKit, then Manage Settings and confirm that AirPlay is turned on. Step 3. Improve your Wi-Fi signal strength by moving closer to the TV or refreshing your network connection. Weak signals cause frequent disconnections. Step 4. Power cycle both devices. Unplug your Xumo TV for 3 to 5 minutes, then restart your iPhone or iPad. This clears temporary connection issues. Step 5. Check for software updates. Your Xumo TV should have a build timestamp from 2024 or later. Go to Settings, Device Settings, then About to verify. Step 6. If problems persist, reset paired devices in your TV's AirPlay settings. Select Unpaired Devices, and then reconnect your Apple device from scratch. These 6 steps resolve most AirPlay connection issues with Element Xumo TVs. Start with checking your Wi-Fi network and work through each step systematically. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced Apple device settings can resolve persistent AirPlay issues. Navigate to your iPhone or iPad's General Settings, then find AirPlay and HomeKit options. Test with different Apple devices to isolate the problem. If another iPhone or iPad connects successfully, the issue lies with your original device, not the Xumo TV. Be aware of content protection limitations. Xumo TV screen mirroring does not support HDCP encryption, which means protected content may display as a black screen while audio continues playing. Only one device can screen mirror to your Xumo TV at a time. Always stop the current mirroring session before attempting to connect a new device. As a last resort, consider third-party screen mirroring applications. For Android and Windows devices, ensure mobile video casting is enabled in your Xumo TV's privacy settings.